Yeah, there's one. Okay, there's your first obstacle, or your first treat. Let's go again. Roll again. Okay, roll again, buddy. Corn's not going to let you play if you're not going to roll faster than this. Okay, keep rolling. Keep rolling, Michael. Come here. No. Wrong direction. Come here. Michael. You need me to... All right. Michael. Michael, it's been 1:30 and you've only rolled once. Come on. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Come on. No more rolling? Good job. Come on. Push. Push. Ah!